Welcome back to the Fashion Magazine, girls. I hope you have been spending a great week. I did, so I hope the same case for you. Alright, so this video we'll be talking about 6 must-have accessories, but this is only part 1. We'll be mentioning and explaining 3 must-have accessories, so you can have the time to look to the pictures and the choices. And also, we'll be talking about the 3 on the next video, so stay tuned. For now, stay with us. But before I start this video, I would like to mention that this video is dedicated for all types of women, all shapes, all age. So please enjoy it, and I hope you find something very interesting and you should be inspired by it. As you know me very well, I'd like to give names for everything, and I would like to call this year the golden year, and you will understand why through this video, why I gave that name. So let's start. Section number 1 is about jewelries, and to be more specific, we'll be talking about earrings and necklaces because they are the most dominating the accessories in this trend this year. So as you can tell, this year is all about gold. So gold is back in the market with a little bit of silver as well. So the first thing I would like to talk about is, as you can tell, that these designs and the shapes and all these accessories are more bolder and they are wilder and bigger. It's like I am dairy, I am bold, and I can do it. These shapes and architecture and the sculpture, let's say, vibe, to make it more simple, they go in any event and any type of occasions you have, even, believe it or not, work. And I would like to mention something I was actually going to mention at the end of the video, but I would like to say that the colors of this year are more calm. We have red, black, beige, all the colors of brown, some pastel, and I think those colors are very calm and soft. So they are more telling us to put efforts on the accessories. So this year, if you have a black top or a black dress, it's enough to put very bold accessory in gold and silver, and that will change everything on that outfit. And you can tell the videos and some examples of people wearing very bold accessories, and at the same time you can tell that the whole outfit as a result, it's very nice. That's something has never been done before. Yes, we have done wider accessories, we have been inspired by African culture, Indian, gold, and etc., but nothing has been done in such a way. It's like all the designs this year has been inspired by monuments, BC areas, and all this kind of thing. So I think this era will be very nice to stay with, and I think these accessories will be dominating till the next 2 years, to be more specific. So I hope you can find something, and I would like to mention today, and we're very lucky, we have a lot of startups with different choices, so you can go, and they are doing great, amazing job. And I feel like anyone who's watching the video in his country, well, he needs to support a startup and maybe go buy some accessories, because they will try to imitate everything that is expensive in the market, and they will do it in a perfect way. And I consider accessories, if you're not willing to wear that all your life, you shouldn't spend a lot of money on that, because as women we like to change, and men as well today, so we want to have many different choices. So even this year, if you're looking to buy a necklace, try it first, I have to say, because it depends on the shape of your face, it depends on your neck, on your height, and try also to see what goes well with you. And I think, for me, if you ask me, I think any woman needs to have something from those styles that we have this year with the hair, and we're gonna talk about the hair later. Actually, you can put your hair up and put a very nice earrings, will make the outfit and even your makeup that you're going to do in a very synchronized way. So please try to find something from these choices or out of these choices, but don't forget, as we said before, gold is dominating. Silver, well, silver sometimes is not that dairy, to be honest, and also it's actually made by architecture, and in this case is going to be made by clay. You can make something by clay as well, why not? It could be a good choice for you. All right, let's go for number 2. We're gonna talk about the second must-have accessory. It is gloves, and the good news, they are for the winter, and you still can catch up for the summer, because they will go with us till the summer. So we need to understand something this year. Gloves are not for cold. This year they are only for accessory. It's a nice extra touch to upgrade a coat, a jean vest in the spring soon. We'll be wearing a lot of vests and jeans and leather, so it could be a great touch. And it also gives the style, or I would like to call it the name of the mafia wife, because they are very classy and very mysterious. When it comes to the summer, I think I would like to give the advice that you shouldn't wear them with any outfit comes into your mind. They are only suitable with corset or a top, a black top or white top, and at the same time very nice dresses. And you can wear them for evening events, and you can actually style it with more bracelet and diamond, and maybe you want to have one just to take pictures, and aesthetically speaking, on your social media, when you take a picture with gloves, it gives a very nice touch, especially when they are transparent, because for the winter they will be available mostly in black, in red and in white. They look amazing mostly, so maybe you need to pick up one. And also you can make ones by yourself if you want, especially we're coming to the summer, so this will be great to have and great to wear. And today I would like to mention that this year we're very focused on the arms. We would like to have something to the arms, like a big puffies, or to have bracelets, or at the same time to have transparent gloves. So try to pick up ones, but try also to find something in black, because I think the black transparent ones are more chic and sexy for the arms, especially if you have a nice nail colors. We'll be talking about nail colors in another video. All right, we're coming to end with number 3. I would like to talk this year about something amazing. That is une broche, like we call it in French, or a brooch. And it's an accessory we put, for the people that don't know about it, we put it in clothes most of the time. We wear it with blazers, with shirts, and you can style it with dresses. And I think brooch is a very nice touch. If you have a very odd outfit or very simple outfit, you can put a touch on that outfit and it looks nice. I've seen a lot of like branding labels. I would like to say that a lot of people today wear the channel brooch, so I think you're gonna want to avoid that, because I always want to talk about individuality, and you can pick up anything you want. I've seen a lot of different, and we're gonna represent many different ideas. You can make one by yourself at home, and also if you want to buy something from a high brand, I don't think it's that expensive, so you can have one. And today the good thing is, and in our next video we'll be giving styles for men. Even men have their own brooch, and it's amazing how they can do it. And you can tell, to give you some very quick ideas, you can take a blazer and you can put a lot of accessories, like a small sticks in gold or in silver, or you can actually you add up your own touch on it and it will look nice. I really want to mention that I like this brilliant idea of this accessory, because I would like to call it as well the recycled accessory. You can wear it with your boots, in your hair, you can wear it on your blazer, you can wear it on a dress, you can vary the styles, and it will give a different vibe every time. And also, since we're coming to the summer, and I think the best way to do is open your wardrobe and try to find the most simple outfits you have, the black dresses, the t-shirts, and see what could you do and what could you add. Maybe you should do your own accessories. This year is about merging the accessories on the look. You can wear them simple, or you can upscale them by adding different glitters or accessories and diamond, and those ones that they are wearable and you can take them off and put them back are the best idea, and no one will find out what you're wearing. Every time you will look different. And by the end of the video I would like to dedicate some time to say it's always about trying something new, and I like this year because we can see a lot of creativity, and I feel like I can tell a lot of people will come up with different ideas. And also, I've mentioned before, this video is not only dedicated for a type of age or a type of styles, it's dedicated for everyone. And also I want to dedicate some time to really thank the people that has been supporting us recently and giving us a lot of ideas, whether if they are a good comment or bad. We always appreciate to hear different and especially constructive criticism. It's very important for us. Thank you for your support. And I hope you like this video. If you'd like to see something else, or you want to give you some sources as we have done before, we would like to do that, because we have different sources and we can give you the best and the things that could make you gain time so you can find something different. And also I always request that you can give us ideas that you want to see something different. We would like to do it. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate all the support we have been receiving from you guys recently. From the bottom of my heart, have a great night, and I'll speak to you soon.